How to copy signature from one document to another. So here, as you can see, I have this finance manager's signature available here. And if I want to copy this signature to my another document available here, then how do I do it? So here is an easy method. All you have to do is open the Google Chrome web browser first of all. Now, in there, in the search address bar, type down the canva.com and search for it. Also, make sure that you are signed into your Canva account. If you do not have an account, then sign up immediately. Then, once done so, tap on the plus icon, the create icon available at the left hand side bar. Then scroll down again and tap on the uploads option available there. Now, upload the file from where the you want to copy the signature from. So now upload it and tap on the design from the recent design. Now here all you have to do is tap on the add new page option available right below the design you just uploaded, and now tap on the upload option available at the left hand side bar. Then tap on the upload file and upload the file from where you want to paste this signature to. So now as you can see, I have uploaded both of the design from where I want to copy the signature and from where I want to paste it. So now all you have to do is go to the design you want to copy the signature from and simply tap on it. As you can see, you are able to tap on that design. You can simply edit it. Now all you have to do is tap on the Control C or Command C and copy this. Once you copy it and now paste it in the new design here where you want your signature to be. Now you can edit it. Now you can simply remove the finance manager option available there as well if you want to. I'm simply removing it. Now place it according to your preferences. So that is it. Now all you have to do is simply go to the top and delete the page you copied the signature from. You can see delete icon available there and delete this page. Now, once you delete this page, you can simply download only this edited page. Now, tap on the share and tap on the download button available there. Now, download this new document with the signature in it. So that is it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.